Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter. First, you will need to locate your vehicle's glove box and ensure it is completely empty. Next, gather your essential tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and, of course, your brand new cabin air filter. Changing this filter regularly is crucial for maintaining excellent air quality inside your vehicle, protecting you and your passengers from dust and allergens. Now that you have prepared, it is time to access the filter housing. Begin by carefully removing the glove box. This usually involves detaching a few retaining clips or unscrewing a couple of screws. Once the glove box is out of the way, you will clearly see the cabin air filter housing. It is typically a rectangular box. To open it, simply unclip the latches or slide the cover off, revealing the old filter inside. With the housing open, you can now gently pull out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Take a moment to notice the airflow direction arrow printed on the old filter. This is very important. Your new filter will also have an arrow indicating airflow. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing, making absolutely sure that its airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper air circulation. Finally, it is time to reassemble everything. Securely close the cabin air filter housing cover, making sure all clips or latches are firmly engaged. Then, carefully reinstall the glove box, fastening any screws or clips you removed earlier. Once everything is back in place, turn on your vehicle and test the fan at various speeds to confirm proper operation and excellent airflow. Enjoy your fresh, clean cabin air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.